Of Mice and Men, Chapter 1, Pop Quiz. What is the primary setting in Chapter 1? The two men are riding on a train, the two men are walking through the woods, or the two men are at a ranch. What description is given to Lenny? He is a very small, quick man, he is a very small and smart man, or he is a very large and unintelligent man. What does Lenny carry in his pocket? His work ticket to get his job on the ranch, a piece of velvet cloth, or a dead mouse? Where are the two men going? A town called Weed, a ranch to work, or a bus station out of town? What does Lenny want George to tell him about? Again, the ranch they want to buy, the new job they're going to get, or their childhood home? Which best describes the relationship between the two men? They behave like jealous brothers, they are very close friends, or they don't like each other much. George loses his temper when Lenny says he wants what with his beans? Gravy, beer, or ketchup? According to George, what makes them different from the other ranch hands? They have a home to go to, they've got the work ethic to succeed, or they've got each other. What does Lenny threaten to do? Go and live in a cave? Take all the beans and ketchup for himself? Or return home and tell George's wife about his affairs? Who used to give Lenny mice to pet? His dead Aunt Clara, his unnamed older brother, or George? What is the name of the river George and Lenny are near? The Salinas River, the Gabilan River, or the Soledad River? Why did they have to run out of the last town they worked in? The boss accused them of stealing at their last job. George was caught drinking at work. Or Lenny scared a woman by touching her dress. Why doesn't George want Lenny to drink from the stream? George saw that the water was dirty? Lenny was sick last night? Or George was afraid that Lenny would drown? What is true about Lenny's Aunt Clara? She was killed in a train accident? She and George were married? Or Lenny forgot her name? What does George think their jobs will be on the new ranch? Bucking grain bags, driving the cattle, or picking crops, most likely berries? How did you score?